We're going to have a short introduction into matrix basics today. A matrix, plural matrices, is a rectangular array, arrays like the word arrangement, of numbers enclosed by brackets. Each number in the matrix is called an element of the matrix. So we're often going to need to refer to the dimensions. So the dimensions of the matrix are given by the number of rows first, by the number of columns second. So let's look at example 1 and find the dimensions of each matrix. So by dimensions, we're looking for the number of rows first, so rows by columns. So the number of rows, there's 1, 2, 3 rows, so 3 by, and then the number of columns, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, so 3 by 4. So the dimensions of the matrix in number A is going to be 3 by 4. For B, the number of rows, again, rows by columns, so number of rows, there's 1, 2, 3 rows, so 3 rows by 1, 2 columns. So it is a 3 by 2 matrix. See the dimensions. In this one, there's only 1 row, so 1, and there are 1, 2, 3 columns. So the dimensions are 1 by 3. And for D, there's 2 rows, so 2 by and just 1 column. Each number in a matrix is a matrix, and I'll say that word again, element. You can identify a matrix element by its row and column. So in order to, if we've got a whole lot of numbers, as we do in this matrix named A right there, we have a whole bunch of numbers and we want to designate one of them, we want to talk about it, we describe it by its row and column. So in matrix A, here, A with a little 23, so I say A sub 23, is the element in row 2. So again, the first one is the row and the second one is the column. So that is when the capital A indicates the whole matrix. And when we use the little a, that means an element in the matrix A. So this element is second row, third column. So we're going to go to the second row. So this is our second row right here. And the third column, which is here. So second row, third column is the number 7, so the element 7. So example 2, again, we have another matrix A. It's the same matrix A. And we want to identify the following elements. So we have A with a 1, 2, which means first row, second column. So first row, second column would be the number 2. B, we want the element in the third row, first column. So here's third row, first column, so negative 2. And C, we want the element in the third row and second column. So that would be this number, negative 4.